So Twitter icon has officially been changed to X on iOS. So that was the previous icon. Now you have this icon. And that's what it is. So how to change it back to Twitter icon? Because yeah, if you don't know, now the Twitter is just rebranded to X as Elon owns it. And yeah, so there are a bunch of apps where you can do that. I will just show you an example. There is, for example, this app called Themify, where there are a lot of widget and icon themes. And yeah, you can just open this app and yeah, you can just, pay for subscription, or you can find some uh, free icons. There are a bunch of them. This app is like super cheap actually compared to some other ones. You like to have access to all the icons out there where you can really find. You can just have lifetime subscriptions for $20, and then you will have all Twitter icons you like. But then, for example, what you can do also, even for free, you can just go to some pack, which is not premium, whatever, just like here, and then you can just select icon maker. There will be some ads in a free version, but then in the content, for example, you can just go here, and then you can find like Twitter icon. You can select like background, for example, I don't know, something like that. It's not that close, but and then you can select app, and then you can just find Twitter, and then just tap save, and then you will just have this icon saved here, and then you can install only this icon here. So then you can just tap install selected icons, and then just follow the instructions here. You will need to install the profile in your settings, and then just with one click you will have this icon on your phone, and then when you tap this icon, it will redirect you to Twitter app or to X app. So that's what you can do, at least. Of course, you can put any icon you like, but if you're annoyed by new X icon, at least you can try this option. In some apps like Snapchat Plus, you can change icons natively, and there is no redirect when you tap on icon. You just open it up, and then you just have that. So